We smashed it. We're 1 under. I see us finishing 4 under next.
There you go. And that's the that's the tee. That's good. Who's it?
We're on the longest par 3 of the course, 220. Paulie's putting for par. Get in the hole. Ooh.
Oh, that's cover drive. 4 runs. Oh.
Sorry, I saw your the tail move in the corner.
It's yours. More spooking a fucking horse.
You're a magpie on heat, mate.
Shot 3 to par 4, not great. That was. Get up. I think coming up here, we're gonna need to. No, we're gonna need to slot this one.
Paul here for par. Looks good. Oh, yes. Good par.
Right, so we're back to even with the card. Another par. She's heating up, and it's not our golf game. It's definitely the weather. All day long. Run.
Come on, come on. Come.
Oh, that's wrong.
Oh, good putt, ball. Nice.
Whoa! Boom! Mate. Hello, John Daly.
Johnny.
Alright, huge drive from yours truly here. We're about 75 metres out.
Old mate here, hitting from the wrong fairway. Yep. I'm predicting a shank here. Oh, low stinger through the trees, rolling up the fairway. Safe as houses. 76 out, Paul's hitting pitching wedge.
That looks right at it. That birdie putt. It's about time we drop a birdie.
No, it's for birdie.
It's for birdie.
I'm reading a tiny bit of
Right to left.
right to left.
2 balls. Don't even bother, boys. Utility.
We'll have at least 2 on. I think the trick is going to be getting on the top and not running right or down.
Hit it out right, let it roll down left.
I think so.
Oh, he is right at it.
That looks very nice.
Right at it.
Oh.
And we'll take that, thank you.
Throwing darts.
Oh, it's a cover drive, and that's gone for 4 runs, ladies and gentlemen.
Sorry. Yep, that's gone.
That's wet. You got a scuba kit?
Yeah, it's actually that wet in there.
Rorz over here, pitched in, landed pin high. Tough putt for bird. Hey! What do you think of that one, Johnny?
Fantastic.
We've got a long par 5 here. Both around to the left.
Into the wind somehow.
Into the wind. It's a shot shape that none of us can hit. I'm going to try and send one straight, just to the right of that tree, and see what happens.
Oof. Jonathan Daly, thank you.
Oh yeah.
Par 5. Coming into a bird. Not sure if you got Johnny's shot there. What are we feeling, Roz? How much are we 2 under the card?
We're 2 under through 14, I think.
14-ish. Par 3 coming up next, so I reckon I smell a bird
Johnny
coming
just
up.
laid one up about 5 feet from the hole for birdie.
You beauty. Go in the hole. Welcome back from technical difficulties. We are 3, is that right? 3 out of par? Rorz slotted that one in. If it's not in the footage, you missed it. That's on you.
Right, the wind's actually turned behind me now.
Fuck,
so
it is
I might
too.
be a club too long here.
Just take her easy.
Yeah.
Jesus, that's dangerous. may just do it.
Oh, that's a good line.
Short. Oh, that's the line. UBUT.
No putting for Gilbs.
I thought you were gonna have a practice thing.
Yeah, that is fucking money.
Yes, mate. That is gone.
COVID! We're 7 beers in. 1 take 5 out. And I'm here an 8 iron. Nah, it's in the creek, it's in the creek. Yes, that's the shape we want.
That's way right. Sorry, left, the other one. Partown keeps it 3 under.
Woo!
Well done, Gibbs. We're on the 18. 3 under par.
3 under.
That's right, 3 under par. We had a par on the last. We are.
On the most difficult hole on the course.
So, how long are these?
Never hit the green once on this hole.
180 par 3.
We can birdie this, but it's unlikely.
Actually, second hardest hole.
Second hardest, yeah.
We did bogey the hardest, so
Yeah.
I feel confident about this. 3 wood.
Long par 3, big creek in the middle. Need to get it up on the green.
Once these old codgers get out of the valley.
Yeah, I know. Get up there.
I will do.
That's a great shit.
So,
And that's a pickup. Yeah, let's follow that in.
I like that. Oh, I like
Follow that in. Follow that right into the... Oh! Yeah, we're to finish this off 3 under. Yeah, bump it. Give me that. You beauty. Nice. 3 under par.
That's a great day. Yeah, I reckon we should do these more often. This is fun having it.
Good.